So you've decided to buy a home. Good for you. That means you're starting an exciting process that will help you achieve one big piece of the American dream. But how should you actually get started? One very important task should be at the top of your to-do list when buying a new home. That step is to get pre-qualified. You've probably heard this term before, but what does it actually mean, and why is it so important? A pre-qualification means you've spoken with a mortgage loan officer who's reviewed some key information to determine the maximum monthly payment you can afford based on lending guidelines. This will include your credit history and scores, employment history, income, assets, and other relevant information. Your loan officer will provide a list of useful documents to have with you in order to be prepared. A credit check is vital to starting your home search, since credit scores will play a large role in determining if you qualify for a loan, what types of loans you're eligible for, and how much a bank is able to lend you. Income, assets, and monthly debts also play a large role in qualifying. The way mortgage lenders calculate and review this information may be different from the way you view them as a consumer. So it's important to be forthcoming to avoid surprises later on. It's also important that the loan officer you choose is thorough, helpful, and willing to discuss different options with you. That way you can expect the lending process to go as smoothly as possible. Okay, here's a quick recap. A pre-qualification tells you the price range in which you can qualify for a loan. It can also help you start to determine what type of loan may be the best fit for you. It allows you to shop for a new home with confidence, knowing you have a trusted mortgage loan officer to guide you.